My name's Katie, so I started with the school links in 4th year and did 4th year and 5th year doing the school links engineering. I went back to school for 6th form, did the school links again as part of one of my A-levels, and then I applied for the HLA as I saw it was a better way than going just to uni, you know, getting a bit of experience while learning. Applied and then got a job at Bakeries, and it's been good ever since. So at Bakeries, my job, it's a bit of everything really. So it's mainly focusing on maintenance engineering, following the shift engineers around, getting a feel for what they're doing, and then just like preventative maintenance, breakdowns, and then also like learning a lot of the like shift guys as well. So it's good to kind of be in there with them and learning on the job with them. Working in a male-dominated job role doesn't really like bother me in a way. I feel like I am just one of like quote-unquote the guys. Like I don't get treated any differently. I don't get like different jobs to anybody else. I'm there as a worker and there as an engineer, and as I should be treated like everybody else. But the advice I'd give to other girls is if you're thinking about it, just do it. You're going into a job like any other job. You shouldn't be treated any differently in any other job, whether it's male or female dominated. But when I joined the higher level apprenticeship, I was actually working in a care home. So from working in a care home to working in a factory, it was a massive jump, and my skills have evolved immensely. I can now go into work and kind of be more confident around machinery, around like the problem solving within that. And I got put on a lot of courses with Bakeries, so I did my welding, electrical upskilling, a few health and safety courses, pneumatics courses. Like they're very, very good at evolving you as an engineer, and they want to improve they want you to improve and improve your skills. So the training that I've got's been amazing. Like my career goals for the next few years is kind of just keep going on the road that I'm going on, doing my best in work, hopefully getting a shift job, doing the engineering in Bakeries full time, and becoming a shift engineer with them. The advice I give to other women considering a career in engineering is just go for it. At the end of the day, you're going for an engineer job, and it doesn't matter whether you're female or male. It's the job you're going for, and yes, it may be male dominated, but you find most of the time that they don't care. They treat you as an engineer